This question from Germany. The brother asks, the Saudis are serving Baytullah and Masjid Nabawiyya, and they have spent a lot of money for the servicing of pilgrimage. Is that not sufficient for the king to be the Khalifa of the Muslim?
See, Mansur of Khilafah has so many other important duties to perform than just to take care of those who perform Hajj. Just to feed the Hajis, to take care of their dwellings and the requirements of water, etc., is mentioned in the Holy Quran as a small thing. A small ordinary thing which is expected of every regime which is in power there. It does not entitle it to any special thing. So the Holy Quran addresses the people, do you, having done this, consider it a great act of piety? It's not so. So because Allah rejects this concept altogether, and this is considers it to be an initial duty of the people who are in command of affairs in the area of Baytullah. They must perform it. If they do not, then they will fail in their basic fundamental responsibility. But to talk of piety and bigger things, that's completely different issue. Khilafat is concerned with such issues as have been mentioned in verse al-Khilafah. There Siqat al-Hajj is not mentioned at all. So read that verse and then you'll understand the true meaning of Khilafah.
This is verse number 19 from Surah Tawbah. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Aj'altum siqayatal hajj wa imaratal masjidil harami kaman amana billahi wal yawmil akhir wa jahada fi sabilillahi la yastawuna indallah wallahu la yahdil qawmaz zalimin. Translation is, do you hold the giving of drink to the pilgrims and the maintenance of the sacred mosque as equal to the works of him who believes in Allah and the last day and strives in the path of Allah? They are not at all equal in the sight of Allah, and Allah guides not the unjust people.
And now read the verse of the Khilafah in Surah Nur. Hadith Khilafah.
Yes. This is verse number 56 from Surah Nur, which is chapter 24. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa'adallahu allazina amanu minkum wa amilus salihati la yastakhlifannahum fil ardi kama istakhlafa allazina min qablihim wa la yumakkinanna lahum dinahum allazi irtaza lahum wa la yubaddilannahum min ba'di khawfihim amna ya'budunani la yushrikuna bi shay'a wa man kafara ba'da zalika fa ulaika humul fasiqun.
See, what a big difference between just feeding those who go to Hajj and the work of a Khalifa, this is the work of a Khalifa. No comparison.
Not at all.
What is the reference from the first verse?
The first is verse number 19 from Surah Tawbah, and the other was 56 from Surah Nur.